Okay, guys, we're gonna have a test on Wednesday. So you guys are gonna be creating basically a sheet to help you guys review, like a little study guide. We gave you guys a little bit of directions on how to do that. The very first thing you'll do is open up the Unit 4 review exam, and what you do is here you want to open it up by clicking the three dots, and we're going to No. First thing we're going to do, sorry, is download it. You're going to download it. You're going to open it up. We're going to enable editing. So basically we're going to open this up in a Word doc. What you're going to do from there is you're going to save this in your computer science folder, and this is how you do it. You go File, Save As, and you guys need to find, click on this PC, and then you need to save it into your computer science folder on your drive. If you don't see it right here, kind of like I'm seeing it, you can do one of two things. You guys can go hit the start button and hit the drive file stream, okay, or you guys can just save it to like your documents, and then you could go open a new tab and go to your drive. Click on the folder you want it in, and then you could click New File Upload, and then make sure you grab it from whichever folder you saved it in. Okay, I'm going to show you what to do on this. So now that I've got this open, and you guys can see, I can click on each box and hit the X's. It says use the following checklist to review the items listed for your Unit 4 exam on, and they're going to take it Monday. We're going to take it on Wednesday. Okay, this document will have to be opened in Microsoft Word in order for the checkbox feature to work. If you have any incomplete items listed, you'll need to watch the videos posted on Google Classroom to help you complete and review them. So basically for 4.1 Variables Explorer, I would go to my Google Doc or my computer science folder and find it. If there's any important information in it, like you think there's some blocks in it that you would like to make sure you look over, make sure you screenshot those and paste them. I would just make a spot for them and paste them right here. You know, make it a little bit smaller, just enough where you can see it, but it doesn't take up the whole page. If it says 4.2 Part 3, then you'll need to go to 4.2 Part 3 on code.org. And what you'll need to do there is the same thing. So I would just take a snip, just like this. I would snip this, I'd copy it, and then I would find a way to paste it in here. And remember, once you do this, you can make it a little bit smaller so you can see it, but it doesn't take up your whole page. Okay, and then so once I've done that, and if there's any definitions on there that you guys, any other things that you guys would like to make sure you remember, you guys can jot those down. But what you're going to do is basically go through them. Once you come to these parts right here where it says video on 4.6 part 2, that means we want you to go back and watch those videos again. So you guys are going to use today and tomorrow to go watch those videos.